Welcome to Watch and Share. This is the IELTS speaking test. Today, we will discuss the latest speaking topic. The subject of the day is describe your favorite place to eat out. In the question, you should answer the following sub-questions. Where it is and what kinds of food are served there. What the decor is like there. And say what kind of people you think would enjoy dining there. Mumbai Taj is my favorite place to eat out. I often go to this restaurant with my friends and family members, both for the delicious foods they serve and for the quiet and elegant ambience they offer. Mumbai serves various types of dishes, and that's why one can easily pick the food items of his or her preference. The main dishes they serve include Thai, Indian, Italian, Mexican, Chinese and a few local dishes. On special occasions like Christmas and New Year Eve, they offer special menus and give discounts to attract new customers. This restaurant occupies a 3-storied building, has a large underground parking, and a garden in front of it. When people enter the restaurant, the garden gives a very first positive impression. The architecture of the building looks good from the outside, and the interior decoration of the building is eye-catching. The light green color of the wall, the opulent wooden furniture, the paintings on the wall, and the nice arrangement of the interior make it a great place. The restaurant offers a range of dishes and the prices are reasonable. The middle class, upper class and lower middle class people can easily afford to eat here. People who love Indian, Chinese, Thai and Mexican foods, and like to be in a nice place with a calm environment should go there and try their menu. Since the environment is tranquil, and the interior is well designed, people of all ages would enjoy being here. The playground on the ground floor is specifically built for children's amusement, and the kids would also enjoy being in this restaurant. This is an example of describe your favorite place to eat out. You can modify your answer. We hope you like this video. You can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for IELTS speaking practice. Thank you. Stay tuned. Watch and share.